Good. Jeez. You think I'm going to take a picture? I'm actually videoing. Yeah. Where's your tractor? What? Oh, okay. Can you put the rocks in the bucket truck? Go ahead, have the tractor fill up the bucket truck. Good boy. Hi, Annie. There we go. Good boy. You filling up the truck? These are all Nicholas's tractors, all lined up. Oh, and the train. Can you say hi to everybody?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Can you say I love you? Good kiss. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, tractors.